gets me down. City of mine. How I love this city of mine. It never gets me down. Yeah.
I was born in the city, I was raised on its edges. My pop worked his life and his
Hello, another day here in New York City, and it's beautiful weather today. It's officially the first stretch of the spring. From a massive snowstorms, blizzards, we're seeing the sun right now. I'm heading right now to my doctor's appointment, so come with me. Doctor's appointment went well. I'm looking for CVS or drugstore because I need to get my contact lens eye drop. And then after, we're going to have some, I don't know, consider a lunch or dinner because I haven't had breakfast and lunch. So straight for dinner, I think. I'm just gonna have my contact lens eye drop here in Target. Target. Look at this, so cute. Officially, Easter is coming soon. Look at this wine. I think this is way more cuter than the Adidas Cheongsam 5. They got also in different colors. Look at this. Green, blue. And this one is cute. It's white right here. It's so pretty. Oh, it's so soft. How much is it? $45. And then there's a skirt. Imagine with a skirt. That is so cute. You know what? Our white Smeg milk frother suddenly stopped and not working. I think there's a leak on the machine or something, water leak. Anyway, that's kind of expensive and it's broken. So now I'm trying to look for the receipt for the warranty to check it if it is still can do some repair for that. So that's the reason why I'm trying to look for just a decent milk frother, because what a waste of money for $250 and then kaput. So I'm looking for eye drop for contact lens, preventing for drying. I think this is okay. Lubricating eye drop. Passing right now to Union Square Station, and I'm gonna show you something. So try to check this one right here in the 14th Street. They actually put a red bar here to protect it. There you go. You can see it's 14. This one is already destroyed because these are the original posts, the original structure of the 14th Street Union Square Station. So that's going to be a little historical artifacts left here in a Union Square subway stop. So if you're visiting New York City, check that one out. I just quickly, little prayer, Our Lady of Guadalupe. I'm a Catholic, so I just visited her. Anyway, I'm just passing here in Chelsea. What is this?
keep on searching. I'm right where I wanna be. I used to be so sad, now I'm glad I found something I never had, and I'm ready. Yeah, yeah. This time I'm going all in. Yes, I'm ready. Yeah, yeah. I'm ready for the good times to begin. Hey, I don't have to keep this burning.
Can I have one traditional and which is better, blueberry or the wild berry? Okay, I'll try one. Thank you. Thank you. This is actually a good flavor. This is the blueberry one. No, this is the wild berry. Can I just have the hamburguesa iberica?
Yeah, how would you like it?
Medium rare,
Medium rare?
and then some cauliflower. And then some house red. Yeah, thank you.
There is no place I'd rather be than right here next to you. And I truly love to talk about your lovers, old and new. You never spare me details as you confide in me. I smile and give advice, but cannot tell you how I feel. How easy it would be to fall for you, but that of course is something I won't do. 'Cause we've agreed between you and me, we're nothing more than friends. How silly it would be to put this friendship to an end. How crazy.
So yep, dinner is done. It was a good meal. So it's time to go home.
Falling in love again.
Finally, my new Hulk bag arrived. I'm a fan of this brand. is absolutely a game changer. Mostly if you're living or planning to live here in New York City, you have to get this. I'm really a fan of Polken, which is a rolling tote. The large one is pretty much huge. Basically, like us, we normally use it as a laundry bag. But this one right here is the newest design, and this one is matte black in medium. And also, apart from the matte texture, they put a pocket inside, which is absolutely convenient too. Look at this. It's so pretty. Easily fold if you don't need it. Put under your bed or, you know, whatever it fits. But it's so slim if you fold it. Oh, I love this mat. Oh, now this is perfect. I love this bag. Perfect for doing grocery, which is part of my therapy. I love physically going to grocery unless that is a bad weather that we need to order online. But this one is really convenient. This is definitely not sponsored. I bought this one with my own money. So yeah. So this is actually the first time I'm gonna try the Trader Joe's pizza. This is a frozen pizza, I know. Don't judge me. New York City got the best pizza, but you know, it's time to try something new, which is a quick dinner for today. It looks like a supreme pizza with veggies and meat. Cooking instructions: keep pizza frozen prior to baking. For best result, preheat the oven for 10 minutes. Remove pizza from plastic wrap. Place frozen pizza directly in oven rack and bake for 12 to 14 minutes until the cheese is melted. Not bad, not bad. Look at that, looks yummy. So the oven is preheated already, 450. So let's just pop this pizza right in for, they said like 12 to 14 minutes, but I think I'm gonna make it just only for 12 minutes, just to be sure. And then let's pop this one right here. It looks good. It's done. How is it? Oh, it's hot. Yep, it is perfect. I think it's good. Actually, it looks good. And also smells good. So it's more easy to slide. And pizza board right here. Welcome to Trader Joe's Pizza. This actually looks good. Let's put this one away. I don't want to burn myself. You know what? I forgot that we don't have pizza slicer. Normal knife here. It smells good too. Wow, I can't believe that this is a frozen pizza. Trader Joe's, come on. This is actually not bad. And also, in New York City, did you know that we love also put some honey in our pizza? So probably you tried it already when you're visiting New York City. Some places, some pizza places, they have their own honey, which is like Sazzy's. They have that. Trader Joe's come up with this also. This is the spicy honey sauce for pizza. And you can really get this one just in the pizza area. But you know what? Let's try without honey first. And then we're going to try with honey. Okay, let's start with without honey first. Look at that. Ooh, I dropped it. Look at that. It's so pretty. This is good. Let's try this one. Oh my God. This is delicious. That is good. Pizza Perlano, Trader Joe's. Frozen pizza for $5.49. Up. Don't forget the honey.
Got stuck, you were looking for clues, but that just made you more confused. You just need to see how lovely, how lovely, how lovely it is for you. Got stuck, you were looking for clues, but that just made you more confused. You just need to see how lovely, how lovely, how lovely it is for you. The waiting's done and you find your home right here. A light goes off and it clicks, you figure out. You put it off, yeah you did it. Life didn't fall apart with it. Couldn't miss what was intended. Let the fears fly away, ride it out like a wave. Call it in on your favors, call them in. Let the fears fly away.